Mrs. Lee bought apple tarts, peach tarts, curry buns and butter buns at a shop. So basically there are 2 types of tarts, 2 types of buns as well. The ratio of the number of tarts to the number of buns was 4:9. So basically tarts is to buns 4:9. There were twice as many curry buns as butter buns. So curry buns is to butter buns. This will be 2:1. The ratio of the number of apple tarts to the number of peach tarts was 5:7. So apple tarts is to peach tarts, 5:7. There were 117 more curry buns than apple tarts. How many tarts and buns did Mrs. Lee buy all together? Now, to do this question, important to take note that they have actually given us the tarts is to buns and also the respective ratios for the buns and the tarts as well. So what we need to do is to sum up for the buns, the total buns here, and the total tarts here as well. This will be 12. Okay, and what we really need to do is to make the tarts the same. As you can see, there's 4, over here there's 12. Alright, there's 3, over here there is 9. So we talk about the buns first. Between 9 and 3, what is the lowest common multiple? Between 9 and 3, that will just be 9, right? So we just take this and we times 3 for this particular ratio. And we'll get 9:3:6. Fantastic, we have made the total number of buns having the same units, 9 and 9. Now how about the tarts? Over here is 12, over here is 4. Okay, so we need to make this and this into the same common multiple. So that is actually 4 and 12. Common multiple is 12. So how do we get there? Times 3 here. So we're going to get 12:27. We have a slight challenge now. Early on, we have made the buns the same, 9 and 9. However, now, if you notice, the buns is 27 over here is 9. So we still need to continue making it the same until at the end of the story, at the end of the steps, the buns and the tarts are indeed the same. Okay, so 27 and 9. Common multiple is 27. So again, we times another 3 here, so that we get 27:9:18. So very nice. Now the total buns is the same. The total tarts is also the same. And we can say for sure that the curry buns is 18 units, butter buns 9 units, to sum up to a total of 27 units for the buns. Apple tarts 5 units, and peach tarts 7 units, total tarts 12 units. Okay, so let's write the ratios all together. So we have curry buns, we have butter buns, we have apple tarts, and we have peach tarts. Okay, so this will be 18:9. 18:9 is to apple tarts 5 and 7. 5:7. Alright, so this is a ratio, the final ratio that we should be working with. Okay, so the clue in this question is over here as well. In terms of number of items, there were 117 more curry buns than apple tarts. 117 more curry buns than apple tarts. So curry buns, apple tarts. 18 minus 5, that will be 13. So 13 units will be equivalent to 117. We find 1 unit. 117 divided by 13. 9 items. Okay, the question is how many tarts and buns did he buy all together? So that would be 12 plus 27. 12 plus 27, that will be 39. So 39 units will be equal to 39 times 9. And that will give us a final answer of 351 tarts and buns bought all together.